This plane revolutionized the aviation industry. With its sleek design, wide fuselage, and unmatched fuel economies, the Boeing 777 has had a successful past. Let's take a look into its future. With a promise to reduce costs and improve passenger comfort, the Boeing 777 had a lot of people excited, especially the airlines that were anticipating its delivery. The first Boeing 777 was delivered to United. The aircraft met technical specifications and exceeded in passenger comfort. This encouraged United to place a larger order. To facilitate the large influx of orders, Boeing set up a new assembly line at the Boeing Everett factory in Seattle. This is where the aircraft is assembled, tested, and painted for delivery. The largest advantage of the Boeing 777 is its ETOPS certification. To efficiently cross the Atlantic Ocean, it is important to have a 180-minute certification to reduce fuel burn. Boeing 777 got its ETOPS 180 certification because of its very reliable and powerful engines. With over 2,000 orders and 1,600 deliveries, the Boeing 777 is the most common wide-body aircraft. Many airlines operate the Boeing 777 for their long-range routes. The Airbus A350 is a direct competitor of the current generation Boeing 777. But the new Boeing 777X is about to change that. With a larger payload capacity, new fuel-efficient engines, and an increased passenger capacity, it offers a new edge to the long-haul wide-body market. Airlines that had purchased the upcoming 777X are finding it unlikely to fill the seats. The 777X is much larger than its predecessor and is designed for ultra-long-haul routes with high capacity, both of which are in low demand. Wide-body aircrafts not only carry passengers, but also carry cargo in their bellies. Aircrafts like the Boeing 777 make up for almost 50% of the entire air cargo market. But as long-haul aircrafts are grounded, airlines have begun converting their passenger jets to increase air cargo supply. The Boeing 777-300ER is being converted into a freighter. The shortage for air freight capacity has led to a financially viable conversion. The new Big Twin is just as capable as the older freighter. However, it offers 25% more capacity. The future for the 777 program may have been held back. However, with new upcoming technologies, it seems very likely that it will remain a success. Thank you for watching.